oven that opens and closes and
Ipakita
has a
mo.
pan on top of it and has
Pagkain. Di ba sabi mo oven yan? Oh, yummy! Sandwich!
it's a burger.
Ang burger ba yan? Eh, bakit square?
No, not. It's rectangle.
Yan, tomato. Tomato na square. Lettuce na square. Burger na square. Cheese square. Bun, sandwich. O tapos, paiinitin mo na.
Yeah, and now you eat it. So, open it.
Egg.
And one on the floor.
Itlog. Yung itlog.
Ito.
Eh, ano naman to? Itong thing na to. Yan. Ito, ano yan?
I put the purple or the gray.
Ito, burner. Ito, burner. Ito, mga pindutan. Oh. Okay. Ito palang ginawa ni Mary. Diba? Pinaghirapan niya yan. It's an oven.